Adom Kyei power sticker not powerful after all.
And he come here because a Blakk Rasta of 3FM. It was our friend to qua. And so new Philadelphia phone or ya ko come to watch and say Blakk Rasta. Abeke Canadian atre papa se Adom Kyei Duah. Efa ne boxer okodira boxing ring mu ase all kono. Na wa phone ahode he Yesu moja wanum bi so bolo no wanum bi perfume ho ama wo de afa no ho wo de powder boni tunu mu je wa ye bi bia bi wa phone aponje ni na. And so still boxing ring mo ya born FM film on that issue no. Blakk Rasta HM say Adom Kyei Duah sebi oni we he para setamol kura odi ensem de wa keke bi pa egun film am I Penyah block media message say any day over like video no other room I will subscribe to the sub like the notification and connect latest updates na better wa join the mama e wo comment section so baso no she will for any be action on the 14th of June 2025 ana mahama ba yes rap mahama organize a boxing event. I'm a program is such a big and a beautiful program. E will go boxing arena Accra. Emma you say or the Nigerian boxer Anthony Joshua e by Ghana as so. Emma also the Pakistani boxer be e by Pakistani a friend of Abdul Khan e by. It is Abdul Khan we no. And any Ghana a brand friend Joseki e coach na boxing ring. Joseki e kono. Na the pants shut down he said Papa Adom Kyei Duah estika e born the top fan from to be we obi and say oh wake dey Adom nyame ekudim kunim Adom nyame ekudim kunim but obi anim dey see abusia say na Adom nyame adaw say na Adom nyame we hu say na member ba ku gina ring mu at the end of the day no ya bu Joseki fan fnam
I don't jump water to us. Philadelphia, I'm over to us. What for Philadelphia? I box a 7 glass. Philadelphia.
That's the power about.
Pull up.
Just a crab because oh referee now gonna all corner there or you training Emma head or self far papa spiritual in so one movie miracle water one movie but we cry miracle perfume or the spray more to me as we are what I say powder miracle powder what you bone to just say oh yeah bibia come on that's what the end of the day no yabono
nah we work as a DNT now trend this
because of Adom Kyei stick and etamitinu obia kasa se ehwe mi di sticker no ata mi tu enye se mi di ata mi tu ebi wo mi se o mi tu obia be hu mi fan enu ti o mi di kase nu hye mi tu mi follow pa
obi we bisa se sticker no for advert na se wo gidi se bibi wo
enye for advert bibi wo mi gidi se bibi wo se mi use sa me tumi abu nipa no
ujidi say we use a we betima abu nipa
enye first time na me use me
oh okay we say professional boxer there senka training any the keka ho na o ye constant training but didn't now believe in say Adom Kyei Duah the software Adom Kyei Duah ne sticker ene beboa
me 100% train pa me training pa enye say me see sticker no say me kita sticker no me winning enu 100% my at the end say me say me here and say me use start sticker no
okay na edi na anko here this time around there here Pakistan no can your friend can right timi ema nema anko here mausa
bibi anko here fine because of referee ni enya ade bibi anko here fine
oh until we is a referee ni na amani ema anko
referee no na stop fight no enya fight bi ni see me nkubio ana say time no push me
by your video bi na wo sorrow crent as why it in time o page o ti woni crent
Oh, sata mi yeshwe say if na push me ma cut off from no menya abote kakra nse me sorry. Kasari you know catch
Said
me
the
say
oil in here.
yeah no catch me say best stop fight. No best stop fight. No enye say me catch me say me to me nku. Time me ko training hwe me kita grace water me kita miracle oil masla nsa me ko training no.
Okay, so before so we back training for this bout. What did
me use miracle water any miracle oil ni me use bibia hwe unu say masla academy nyina sa me ko hwe no me dey
okay, so and yes, second one now you see before so be ban no kra no yeah, amamre ofia.
Ma yeah, amamre ofia enye sticker no kwa amamre
so bolo no so no.
So bolo no mamisi me bon pa say Adom Kyei Duah me akọ me ko dikuni.
Okay.
So
when before so be walking to the arena.
Ni me ba arena.
This so bolo no mo de be den.
Say minum me ofia sam me
okay.
So bolo ni.
Yapono. Now, Lucy, you know, and a Blakk Rasta, Ebusia, obviously, Adom Kyei Duah, then some party, I can party at them.
Adom Kyei power sticker, not powerful after all. We all know who Adom Kyei is. He looks like one of those ancient prophets. White bearded, sometimes he walks barefoot. He has a long flowing gown that he wears most of the time. His church is one of the fastest growing churches in Ghana today. In fact, he sells a lot of spiritual items to his followers. And recently, controversially, he bought a whole factory, broke it down, and turned it into a church. Why is it controversial? The same members who are looking for jobs in the factories now are going to the church to pray so they can find jobs. My brother, my sister, he sells a lot of spiritual items to his followers and they believe in these. In fact, this man here is interesting. When he has church services, the whole place is packed to capacity. Some popular figures, some celebrities have also started patronizing his church. Come here, my youth. Watch this. This is Adom Kyei Duah, powerful man of God. Recently, he said he's equivalent to Jesus Christ. In fact, and he even told his congregation when exactly he would die. What day, what time. My brother, my sister, he would die. This is Prophet Adom Kyei Duah. Now, one of the spiritual items he sells to his congregation is the Adom Kyei sticker. It's called the Believers Worship Center. And on it is written, your time is up. Many have attested to the power of the sticker. Some were sick and they used the sticker on their bodies where it hurt most and they were instantly healed. Some were hungry and when they pasted the sticker on their stomachs, they were instantly fed. Some had deadly diseases like HIV/AIDS. And when they soaked this sticker in water and drank it, they were healed instantly. Some were jobless. And when they pasted this sticker on their CVs or on the files that contained their CVs, they instantly got jobs. These stories keep coming up every now and then. In Ghana, it is simply called the Adom Kyei Duah sticker, the power sticker. Now, one boxer over the weekend, in fact, a member of the Believers Worship Center, and this is him, went into the ring to box, and he believed so much in the Adom Kyei power sticker. He pasted it on his trunks. That's it. Right on top of his powerhouse. My brother, my sister, and we all saw what happened to him. He was flawed. Watch him. That's him coming. I hate boxing because it's a barbaric game. Look, one punch from an American, now the American or whatever he is having a field day, giving it to him. Woto, as we say in Nigeria. My brother, now anytime this American wants to hit him, in fact, he's almost like a punching bag. And I wish you could hear what the people around the ring are saying right now. They are jeering this guy here, making noise into his ears. And watch him, he wants to break loose. He has fallen down. Nobody has touched him. It looks like the Adom Kyei sticker that he was counting on to give him the energy, without training and without taking good instructions, did not help him. This is him lying down, and this is the referee telling him to get up. This is not a knockdown. Get up. And there he's sitting comfortably, as if in his sitting room. In fact, ordering the referee to warn the American not to hold his hands anymore, or else the sticker that he has pasted in front of his powerhouse will start to speak. Now, my brother, my sister, when you watch the fight, you realize that he was beaten to pulp. At a point, he refused to even box. And the people, the fans, were shouting at the referee and telling him, ignore him, push him in, he has to fight. We paid to come and watch him. In the 5th round, he was beaten to pulp, and the fight had to end. And this has become some big news in Ghana. Fans of the church are giving reasons why the sticker could not help this boxer win the fight. The boxer himself, in fact, came out to say something. What did he say? You know what he said? He said that he did not win the fight for one reason: the referee cheated him. How did the referee cheat him? You were knocked down a number of times. All out, you couldn't do anything. He's blaming the referee for making him lose, and that the sticker actually helped. Why didn't the sticker silence the referee? He was beaten to pulp. My brother, my sister, and look at the story that is making the rounds all over the place. I knew Adom Nyame would show up. Joseph Saki explains Adom Kyei's stickers on his tracks. Listen, he's still very, very hopeful that the sticker worked. Now, despite suffering a crashing 5th round knockout at the hands of British opponent Adom Kyei, so he's actually British and not American, Ghanaian boxer Joseph Saki believes his faith never failed him, only the officiating did. The young pugilist who stepped into the ring on Friday, June 13, 2025, at the Battle of the Beasts boxing event in Bukom, entered the bout armed with more than just gloves and footwork. On the back of his boxing trunks was the sticker of Prophet Stephen Adom Kyei Duah, the leader of Believers Worship Center, also known as Philadelphia Church. To Saki, this wasn't for show. It was a declaration of belief and spiritual protection. I knew even with the next 2 rounds, Adom Nyame would do something. I used all of Adom Kyei's spiritual things. I had grace oil, miracle oil, and even drank sobolo before leaving the house. I don't only use the sticker, Saki said in the aftermath of his defeat. The image of the popular prophet, revered by many of his followers as a man of miracles, symbolized Saki's trust that divine intervention could hit the fight in his favor. Could tilt the fight in his favor. He entered the ring with confidence, not just in his fist, but in his faith. But the night didn't end the way he hoped. According to Saki, it wasn't a lack of power or preparation that cost him the fight, but a controversial moment involving the referee. The referee tripped me. He locked my leg while separating us. That's what made me fall. Even though Adom Nyame did his part, the referee didn't allow it to come true. That's what I'm. This is comedy, nonsense, foolishness. I honestly love people who have strong faith, but not this mediocre, foolish faith. You went to fight. We all saw the referee coming to separate the two of you. You fell, trying to pull your hand. Now you are blaming the referee that he tipped you and you fell. How did the referee tip you? My brother, I chose this story today to teach us a big lesson. In Ghana, we believe, respect, and honor spirits more than we respect our brothers and sisters who we can see. In Ghana and Africa as a whole, we believe in the spirits that we can't see, honor the spirits we can't see, give our money to the spirits we can't see when our brothers and sisters who we can see need our help most. A man is ready to go to church and give his tithes out when his own children need school fees or examination fees in order to write examinations and move forward. But no, he will take the money to the church and believe that things would happen so that some miracles would happen and he will be able to pay his school fees for the children. Charlatan men of God are on the rampage, stealing from the people, making sure that nobody actually escapes their treachery. This gentleman here might have fallen on hard ground. I'm not saying that it's a charlatan church, neither am I saying that this prophet is not worth his sword, but I don't believe in him because of utterances, equating himself to Jesus Christ and sometimes saying things that do not make sense to me as a man. Well, he has the physique, he has the looks of an ancient prophet, and many who go to his church say that he actually makes miracles. One of the things the people also like about Adom Kyei Duah is that in his church there's nothing like tithes. And it's also known as Philadelphia Church. Not Bukom Church, not Savulugu Church, Philadelphia. I'm sure he has explained this to his followers. How many more people will go down the drain, refuse to take medicines from the doctors, and rather paste this sticker on their chest and other parts of their bodies in order to get healing? A lot of them will visit early graves because it's the same God that has given wisdom to the doctors to be able to treat us of diseases. If you refuse this wisdom and go and paste stickers around you, the spirits will not come down and give you an injection. The spirits only come down where human wisdom has failed. If you believe in what I'm saying, say yes, Rasta. To Saki, you behaved foolishly. You didn't prepare for the fight. You decided to let your fans down. Next time, prepare well. This gentleman reminds me of Dogbe, Isaac Dogbe, who also went fighting, and whilst they were punching him heavily, tearing his skin, he was shouting, Neho, Neho, calling the gods of his hometown to come and help him defeat this other person. He was badly defeated. From that time, I believe, he learned his lesson. It came out that before the fight, he went to his village to visit the gods, poured libation, and asked the gods to help him fight. I don't have a problem with that. Did he prepare for the fight? Or he expected the gods to descend into the ring and beat his opponent for him? In fact, the heights that successful people, great people have reached, they didn't reach there by a sudden flight. Whilst many slept and snored and many more slumbered, they burned the midnight oil, and today they are where they are. They didn't follow spirits to get there. It's the Black Pot, aka Kokoshonomo, where we speak truth to power. Adom Kyei power sticker, not powerful after all. Do you believe it? Do you use the sticker? Do you make sure that the human aspect is also satisfied? Hey, you can swallow 1,000,000 stickers. If you sleep in Bukom, in a house that is infested with mosquitoes, you will die of malaria. You can swallow this miracle water, sobolo, whatever. If you walk in places that have snakes, you'll be beaten and you'll die. You can swallow sobolo, swallow as many stickers from this church. If you decide not to follow traffic regulations, you'll be knocked down by an Okada. Your head will break and you'll die. No sticker can save you. Wisdom. Use wisdom and you can add the spiritual. That's what Jesus Christ did. He sent his disciples to go out and win souls. He didn't sit back to command the souls to come. No, he said, go and knock on the door. Hallelujah.
Throughout your comment section, I Penyah Blakk Media.